What's up, everyone? EarthToMemphis here. I'm back with a short video to talk about a project that I've been working on that I want to inform y'all because that's how y'all found me in the first place. Is my original blog EarthToMemphis that has been a travel blog this whole time. Now I'm bringing it back to life. Here we go. Okay, as you can see on my computer screen on your left, you got my website that's in development mode right now. And to the right is the code base for it. So, this is a Django project that I've been working on, and right here where my mouse is should be 3 blog posts that are not there because I'm putting them dynamically and don't have the database set up yet. But then I've statically added these 3 cards to the template and then email sign up list. So let me know what y'all think. If how to improve, what y'all like about it, what y'all don't like about it, do y'all like the picture, like stuff like that. And then eventually I'll have all my code up on GitHub as well, so you'll be able to check that out as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video or if you like the site that's coming, give it a like, hit that subscribe button so you know when this project is coming out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.